You have been lied to about getting rich. Everyone thinks you need to find the next big crypto coin, trade stocks 24/7, and risk everything. That's a crazy high-stress game, and almost everyone who plays it loses. So for an entire year, I did the complete opposite. I ran an experiment with the most boring money strategy in the world, and what I discovered will blow your mind. The secret to getting rich isn't about what you do. It's about what you don't do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how doing less can make you rich. And speaking of secrets, developing the right mindset is the foundation of all wealth. I've curated a list of my favorite life-changing books on building a successful mindset. If you're serious about this journey, the links are waiting for you in the description below. That whole exciting investing you see on social media, it's a trap. They show you the one guy who made $1 million on a meme stock, but they never show you the thousands of people who lost all their money. It turns your future into a casino where you're just gambling. You buy when you're greedy, you sell when you're scared, and you lose every time. And all that trading destroys your money. Every time you buy or sell, you're getting hit with secret costs and taxes that are just eating your profits alive. And even worse, it's exhausting. Trying to time the market is the fastest way to make a stupid emotional decision. The entire game is rigged against you. The only way to win is to use a system that works without you messing it up. So what if I told you the secret to getting rich was to be boring? What if the best way to build wealth was to do almost nothing? The most powerful way to make money isn't some crazy secret. It's just being consistent, over and over and over again. You need to stop being a gambler and start being an owner. This is the boring money mindset. It's just a few simple habits that you repeat forever. But over time, the results are absolutely crazy. I'm going to give you the 4 secret habits that are the key to everything. First, the most important rule of all time. Habit 1. Automate literally everything. This is where 99% of people fail. They spend their money first and then try to save whatever is left over. That never works. You're going to do the opposite. You're going to pay yourself first. And we're going to hack the system with automation. The second your paycheck hits your account, boom, an automatic transfer sends it straight to your investments before you can even think about spending it. You only have to be disciplined once to set it up and then it runs forever. The second habit is to figure out what enough is and spend less. The entire world is designed to make you want more stuff. A new phone, a faster car, a bigger house. It's all designed to keep you poor. Constantly upgrading your life every time you get a little more money is a trap. And if you fall for it, you will never be rich. The boring mindset is different. You decide what you actually need, and then you spend less than you earn. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. That extra money is your emergency fund, and it's the fuel your automated system is going to turn into a mountain of cash. The third and most boring habit is to only buy boring investments. Listen to me. You do not need to find the next Tesla. Trying to find the next Tesla is how you lose all your money. The boring secret is to buy low-cost index funds. These are giant baskets of stocks that let you own a small piece of all the top companies in a market or even around the world all at once. So instead of betting everything on one company, you own a piece of all of them. The fees are super low and they have historically made people very, very rich. This is so simple it should be illegal. It feels like cheating. And that brings us to the final and most difficult habit. Habit 4, the power of doing absolutely nothing. Okay, this is the final step, and I promise you, it is the hardest one. Once your money is automatically flowing into your boring investments, the most powerful thing you can do is nothing. Literally nothing. Do not check your stocks every day. Do not freak out when the news says the sky is falling. Do not sell. Your only job is to leave it alone. You don't get rich in a week, you get rich over decades. By staying in the market, your money starts making money, which then makes more money until it snowballs into an insane amount of wealth. The hardest part is just being patient enough to let it happen. If you want to get rich without all the stress and the gambling, then subscribe to the channel right now. We're dropping the best, simplest financial strategies on the planet. And as you build these habits, remember to feed your brain the right stuff. Don't forget to check out my curated list of must-read books for developing a successful mindset in the description below. They are absolute game change.